Hello students, warm greetings from Asmi Youth Career Advisor. We hope that you have done really well in NEET this year. But if you haven't, please don't worry because we together will try to get you the best medical seat possible at your school. We at ASMI have been guiding students in medical admissions for the past 7 years. We have guided students in Maharashtra MBBS and BDS admissions, All India and deemed MBBS and BDS admissions, as well as other state MBBS and BDS admissions. We have also guided students in Ayush All India as well Maharashtra state admissions and physiotherapy and allied admissions as well. We also guide students in All India veterinary admissions as well as the Maharashtra state veterinary admissions. So don't worry, we are in this together and we will help you out. To help students get the best medical admissions, we at ASMI have designed the following services. The first of the services is admission guidance. Many students and parents have no idea how the admission process is run. They have no idea about the deadlines, they have no idea about the rounds, and that is where we help them with giving the admission guidance. We give them the rough idea of how all of the process runs, and then we move on to the second step. That is personalized guidance. We know that no two thumbprints are the same. Similarly, no two students taking medical admissions are the same. And that is why we at ASMI believe that every student needs personalized counseling. Here in personalized counseling, what we do is we take the set of unique constraints of the student and guide them accordingly. Next comes college preferences. College preferences are the most important part because this makes or breaks your admission. You have to consider cutoffs, you have to consider your location, you have to consider hostel availability, everything, and then decide on your college preferences and decide which college you want to go to. We help you with that as well, and we know our colleges. Next, we have admission form filling. In admission form filling, the most important and crucial step is to fill all your details correctly. If you don't fill your details correctly, your forms might get rejected, and that is what we don't want. Next, we have our cutoff software. We have specially designed mycollegecutoff.com to help students with their admissions. We have crunched over 80,000 PDFs of previous year admission data and made this software which is available to everyone on mycollegecutoff.com. And finally, SMS alerts. Prompt SMS alerts is what makes or breaks your admission, because if you don't report to the college on time, then my friend, you're not going to get your admission. That is why filling your forms on time, filling your forms before deadline, reporting to the college on time is very, very important. That is why we provide all our students with prompt SMS alerts and also alerts on our WhatsApp groups. So friends, this is an in general idea of how ASMI works, and that is why I urge you to please register with us, because then together we will get you a medical seat. Thank you.